Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Mod Manager for Little Company. And to do this, first we'll need to open our browser, and then in your preferred search engine, I'll be using Google, find Thunderstore Mod Manager. When you Google it, you should see the website with Overwolf. Click on it and then select Get App. Now it should download the installation file, install this Overwolf along with Thunderstore Mod Manager. I already downloaded it, so there's no point at going through it with me. It's a simple installation process. When you launch it, the Overwolf should be visible in your system tray. Right click on it and then find the Thunderstore Mod Manager right here in Dock Apps. Open it, then find the Little Company. It's right here. Click on Select Game. Select Profile. Inside you can find your own mods that you've installed or get additional mods right here. You can search for them if you like. And keep in mind that when you install any mods, you will need to launch a game right here with this modded button, because when you open your game through Steam normally, then mods won't work. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.